Don't buy the wrong Bitcoin ETF. Unless you were hiding under a rock, you probably heard the news that SEC gave approval to multiple Bitcoin ETFs last week. This means now anyone can invest in Bitcoin without having to learn about crypto wallets or exchanges. This also means all the institutional investors can participate in crypto without directly owning any crypto assets. To be honest, it is better to learn how to create a crypto wallet, buy the coins you want, and hold them in your self-custody. That way you are not going to be cheated by another random Sam. These Bitcoin ETFs certainly give you an easier way to get into Bitcoin using the very familiar and well-trusted trading platforms like Fidelity, E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, etc. Before you jump in buying these ETFs, let's learn a little bit more about who is offering them, their ticker symbols, and most importantly, the fees each of them charge. Market cap of the ETFs should be directly related to the net asset value of the Bitcoin they hold minus the management fees they charge. These fees are accrued daily and charged monthly. So if you buy the ETF that charges higher management fees, over time these fees will add up and it will be worth less than the Bitcoin they hold. So buy the ETFs that have lower management fees. By the way, you should check and make sure the fees are low when you select mutual funds or other ETFs. Let's get started with the Bitcoin ETF list and see what each are charging. GBTC is a Bitcoin trust offered by Grayscale since 2013. Before the Bitcoin ETFs were approved last week, they were the only game in town, so no wonder that they have $27 billion worth of Bitcoin under their management. Bitcoins owned by GBTC are held in the custody of Coinbase. GBTC still charges highest management fees. Since all the other ETFs are charging only a fraction of the fees charged by GBTC, I think that they might see a huge drawdown soon to invest in the lower fee options. Watch till the end to see who might win the most of those drawdowns. GBTC charges 1.5% annually in management fees, which is about $150 in fees for every $10,000 invested. DEFI is Bitcoin futures ETF offered by Hashdex, which is a relatively young company with only crypto products. Based on their website and prospectus, unlike all the other ETFs, looks like DEFI tracks Bitcoin performance by investing in Bitcoin futures instead of purchasing Bitcoins and holding them in their custody. This would require active management and potentially have a higher risk. To be honest, there are many other better and trusted providers than DEFI, and their management fees are very high. DEFI charges 0.94% annually in management fees, which is about $94 in fees for every $10,000 invested. BTCO is offered by Invesco, a leading asset manager who offers an array of ETFs and mutual funds, along with many other investment vehicles. Invesco is bringing BTCO to market in collaboration with Galaxy Digital, which is run by none other than Michael Novogratz, who has the Goldman Sachs pedigree and carries a strong voice in crypto world. Galaxy has been offering crypto products out of Canada for a long time with huge amount of crypto assets under management. All Bitcoin owned by BTCO is held in the custody of Galaxy. BTCO charges 0.39% annually in management fees, which is about $39 in fees for every $10,000 invested. BTCW is offered by WisdomTree, who offers a wide array of funds giving the client exposure to both US and international markets. Bitcoin held by BTCW are held in the custody of Coinbase. BTCW charges 0.3% annually in management fees, which is about $30 in fees for every $10,000 invested. EasyBC is offered by Franklin Templeton, a trusted partner to clients for 75 years. All Bitcoin owned by EasyBC are held in the custody of Coinbase. EasyBC charges 0.29% annually in management fees, which is about $29 in fees for every $10,000 invested. HODL is being offered by VanEck, which is managed by the CEO Jan VanEck. They have been offering various investment products for 70 years. Bitcoin owned by HODL are held in cold storage at a regulated, qualified custodian. They don't specify who that custodian is. I am guessing that Galaxy might be their custodian. Complete speculation though. HODL charges 0.25% annually in management fees, which is about $25 in fees for every $10,000 invested. BRRR is being offered by Valkyrie Investments. Even though they are a lesser-known firm, Valkyrie is led by financial industry veterans, and they have been a third Bitcoin trust since 2021. All Bitcoin owned by BRRR is held in the custody of Coinbase. BRRR charges 0.25% annually in management fees, which is about $25 in fees for every $10,000 invested. IBIT is offered by iShares, which is owned by BlackRock. iShares offers a large number of ETFs, and not surprising to see them offer this Bitcoin ETF. Bitcoin owned by this ETF would be held in the custody of Coinbase. IBIT charges 0.25% annually in management fees, which is about $25 in fees for every $10,000 invested. FBTC is being offered by Fidelity. The fund seeks to track the performance of Bitcoin passively. Bitcoin owned by FBTC are custodied by Fidelity Digital Asset Services, LLC. FBTC charges 0.25% annually in management fees, which is about $25 in fees for every $10,000 invested. ARKB is being offered by ARK Invest Group lead by our beloved Cathie Wood, in partnership with 21 Shares, who has been offering crypto exchange traded products ETPs. ARK has working relations with 21 Shares since 2015. ARKB charges 0.21% annually in management fees, which is about $21 in fees for every $10,000 invested. Now the best one for the last. BITB is offered by Bitwise Asset Management, is the largest crypto index fund manager in America. For 6 years, Bitwise has established a track record of managing a broad suite of index and active solutions across ETFs. All Bitcoins owned by BITB are held in the custody of Coinbase. Of all the Bitcoin ETFs, BITB has the lowest management fees at 0.2%, which means if you invest for every $10,000 under management, the fund only charges $20 per year as their management fees. For comparison, GBTC charges $150, which is crazy. With the exception of GBTC and DeFi, you can't really go wrong with any of them, honestly, as they are all charging less 0.4%. BITB seems to be the real winner based on the management fees alone. Before I reveal the last bit of info that could help you to think different from the masses, please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel to support me. Thanks in advance for doing that. Most of them seem to use either Coinbase or Galaxy as their custodian, so you know that the Bitcoin will be in safe hands. If you want to think differently, maybe you should invest some in Coinbase and Galaxy as well, because the portion of the fees will be paid to them as custodians. If you are interested, COIN is the ticker for Coinbase, and BRPHF is the ticker for Galaxy Digital. Until next time, keep thinking differently.